Hello friends, welcome back to another edition of Java Learning. Today our topic is Kaprekar number. How to write a code in Java to find whether a number entered is Kaprekar or not. And then we are going to print all the Kaprekar numbers in a given range. So let us first understand the logic behind Kaprekar number. The definition is what? A Kaprekar number is a number whose square means the number square when divided into two parts. And if you add them, if you sum the parts, then you will find it is equal to the original number. Then that would be a Kaprekar number. 45 is a Kaprekar number. Why? Because if you square this, that is 45 into 45 will give you 2025. Now, these are 4 digits number. Therefore, if you divide it into two halves, on the left hand side you will have 20 and on the right you will have 25. Now, this left hand side and right hand side, if you add up, it is equal to 45, which is equal to the original number. Therefore, 45 is a Kaprekar number. Now let us go to our BlueJ window and let us write the code for it. Okay, so let us go to BlueJ window. So here I'm entering a number, and in my last video I have taught you how to find out how to convert a number into string. Okay, and then find out the length, right? So that will give you number of digits. So how to find out the number of digits? If you don't know it, please check my video digit count in Java, right? So I'm entering a number. That number I'm converting it into a string and storing it in S, then finding out the length. Suppose if it is 45, so null character plus 45 would be 45, which is a string now, and the length of 45 would be 4 and 5 is there 2, so the length is 2. And here I'm going to change the code. What is supposed to be done? Now you have to square the number. So int sq is equal to the number, that is n into n. The square has been done, right? Now you have to find out the right side. Okay, so int right side is equal to, I'm going to use math.pow function, so that will return a double value which I'm converting it into integer, and then I'm doing what? I'm applying a logic, that is the square that you have is getting divided and the remainder will be taken out, right? So divided by what? Now you have to write math.pow 10 to the power number of digits, that is L, right? And then you have to close this outer bracket also. So this will give you the right side. Okay, right side digits, and the same thing I'm going to copy and paste left side, but this time I'm going to take the quotient divided by sq, the square of the number, divided by math.pow 10 to the power L, and this will give you the left hand side. Left side digits. Then what you do? You sum up the digits, right? So int sum is equal to right side plus left side. Okay, and then you give a check, that is if the sum is equal to the original number, then you return true. Right, this method will return a true, means it is a Kaprekar number, else it will return false. Okay, now what am I going to do? I'm going to write this in a different method. So public static, here you have to change boolean is Kaprekar. So this method, if you send a number, is going to check is Kaprekar or not. Now first of all, let us run this program, and then the rest part I'll show you later. Okay, compile it. No syntax error. So sorry, I've closed. I have to just run the program. It's written by mistake. I have closed the program. Now let us compile and let us run is Kaprekar or not. Now I'll give 45. I told you 45 is the Kaprekar number, right? So it is giving you true. Now let me check with another number. Let me run again. Let me give 12. It is a false, means 12 is not a Kaprekar number. Now what you do? You have to write another method. Let us write main method, and I'm going to call this method for Kaprekar number or not. So public static void main, and then I'm going to print all the numbers, Kaprekar numbers in the range A and B, right? So range is here, starting from here, and it is ending at this. So you start a loop for int I is equal to A, I less than equal to B, I plus plus. So all the numbers in between, I mean including A and B, whether Kaprekar or not, it will check. How it is going to check? Now you will call which method? Now this method, main method, is static, and this method is also static, is Kaprekar. So I don't have to create an object, right? So simply I'm going to call is, the name you see is written in, or I'll just copy this, right? That will be better. And then what you do? Paste it here, and here you pass I value, which is starting from A. Now when you call this method, right, this method is going to return you true or false. So let us store it here. Int ans is equal to, true and false means boolean value. Boolean ans is equal to the method calls answer, right? Now you check if the answer is equal to true, then system dot out dot print ln, all the numbers are in I, okay, and you print beside is a Kaprekar number. Else you will not print anything, right? So close this, close main method, and the class is already closed. Now I'm going to print all the numbers in between 1 to 500. Within this range, how many Kaprekar numbers are there? Let me check that. So for this I have to call main method. Main method is asking for the range. It will start from 1 and it will go till 500. So it is printing 1, 9. Okay, so 1, if you just double it, so it will give you 1 only. So 1 is a Kaprekar number, 9 is a Kaprekar number, 297 is a Kaprekar number, 99, 55, 45 is a Kaprekar number. So all of you check it out whether these are Kaprekar numbers or not, right? So this cannot be divided, right? 1. So the sum would be 1 only, which is equal to the original number. Now let us take 3. 3, if you, 9, if you double it, it will be 81. So it is getting divided into 2 halves, 81. Left hand side 8, right hand side 1. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, which is equal to the original number. So this way you are printing all the Kaprekar numbers. 45 is already a Kaprekar number, I told you. 55, 99, 297. So you just check it out whether these are all Kaprekar numbers or not. I hope all of you have understood what is Kaprekar number and how to print all the Kaprekar numbers in a given range. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA and do like and subscribe if you like the channel. Thank you so much.